What's up, guys? Today we learn about how to make a Google account or Gmail account. Creating a Gmail account is a straightforward process that allows you to access Google's suite of services such as Google Drive, Google Document and Google Calendars. Follow these steps to make your own Google account. First step, open a web browser like Chrome, Opera, etc. Launch your preferred web browser such as like Sanskrit, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, Sanskrit. Go to the Gmail website, type www.gmail.com into the address bar and hit enter. You shall be directed to the Gmail sign page. Then click on create account on the Gmail. Fill in your detail. A registration form will appear asking for your first and last name. Then next you shall need a choose unique username like your Google account as you want that end with @gmail.com. Now create a password. Then now one step you remember always strong. Strong means strong. Strong password that include a combination of letters, numbers and special characters. Then make sure it's secure and not easily guessable. Now you need to verify your phone number. Google may require you to verify your account with a phone number as above your country. Enter your mobile number and follow the instruction to receive a verification code. A code you receive, you need to put it. Then you complete your second step. Now set up recovery options. Recovery option it's basically when you lost your sign up etc. It's need necessary for you. May ask you set up recovery options such as an alternate email address to security question. Now this will help you gain access to your account if you forget your password. Then next, agree to Google terms. Read and accept Google's terms of services and privacy policies to continue with the account creation process. Now, welcome to Google Gmail. Congratulations, you successfully created a Gmail account. You shall be directed to your inbox where you can start sending or receiving emails. Now, one step you remember always to keep your account secure by regular uploading Yahoo etc your password, enabling two-factor and being collusions with suspicious emails and links. Enjoy using your new Gmail account and all the services it offers. Customize your profile picture after creating your account. You can personalize your profile by adding a profile picture and providing additional information about yourself. To do this, click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the Gmail window and select Manage your Google account. From there, you can edit your profile and privacy settings. In fact, if you need any help or any